best ever, baby. 7, 8 pounds. Release. Alright, in today's video, we're going to be taking this new jack plate out. This is a Grizzly Tracker 2072 all weld, and we have a 150 Merc on it. The Bob's Machine Shop jack plate. It is a 10-inch setback, and so the prop that's on it is the factory prop, which is a Black Max, and it's a 19 pitch, and we can run this thing all the way up, and with no low water pickup or nothing, we can hit about 46 miles an hour. So that's fast going over daggum flats. I know that for daggum sure. With no low water pickup at all, and it's factory prop. So I hope you enjoy this video. Make sure you like and subscribe, turn on your post notifications, and enjoy. Where are we going? The lake. Enjoy the lake, my friend. So right here, we couldn't get the jack plate all the way up because we had a boat full with 3 adults, 2 kids, 2 dogs, and a full cooler full of ice and waters. So right here, he is hitting 47 miles an hour. He's on the rev limiter, and the jack plate is all the way up.